Hello, let me introduce the Dahua WizMind S Camera. It's a 5 series camera. It's a smart network camera, and look at the function. It has a high powered image, it has video metadata, it has perimeter protection. In addition, a 5-year warranty for that camera, smart sound detection, smart object detection, people counting, and deep light. So I want to use face detection feature from this camera. Look at the packaging. So I'm just going to open it up. Let me open it up so that you see what is in the package. Then from the package we are going to see some of the camera features. So when you open this camera, number one, you'll note the packaging is eco-friendly. That means it's green, save the environment kind of consideration that Dahua has adopted. So even this paper is can decompose. Then in the packaging is the camera, which is well covered. Then let me just check anything else inside the packaging. A second. When I open the packaging, inside there is this mounting screws. You see, even the packaging environment friendly. There's a quick start guide and a user manual. There is the waterproofing tools. There's an Allen key, of course. All Dahua standard cameras usually come with Allen keys. There's a link for manuals and downloads. Then there's the overlay mounting sticker, or the quick start sticker. So opening the camera itself, I'll just unwrap this. So opening the camera itself, let's look at the appearance. Let's talk about the camera design. So this is the camera itself. Look at the appearance. The design is sleek. An SD card is inserted here, and also provision for reset button. Then let's look at the ports. We have the LAN port, or the network port. We have the secondary power connection, because by default this camera supports PoE and even EPoE. EPoE is 800 meters PoE. Then we have the audio and mic, audio in and mic out. Then we have the alarm connector cables. So with this Dahua WizMind 5 series, we're going to experiment some features like face detection, and apply this face detection with an AI and VR to achieve face recognition. So I'm welcoming you to follow the rest of our series, and then you'll learn more about the capabilities we'll be having.